Hi, I'm Walter, the founder of Flow.42 Analytics. I trade these tools every single day. And today I get to show you something I've wanted on my own chart for a long time. So, this is my screen. Yes, 1 minute, the trading suite running live, same setup I trade myself, nothing staged. Watch this move. Buyer step in right here, the suite marks it. Then the pullback, sellers tried, and they got absorbed. You see it in the shaded zones here. The level holds, the move continues. And later, up at the highs, the orange event starts stacking up. Now it's the buyers getting absorbed. The push is running out of fuel and price starts to rotate. Until fresh buying steps in and takes it to new highs. Every one of these markers is a real market event, pulled live from volume, liquidity, and activity at price. The suite shows you what's happening inside the market the moment it happens. That question is answered right here on the chart. And today, I'm adding the next one. What is the auction doing around all of this? That's what this video is about. Because the same event, an imbalance in absorption, can mean completely different things depending on the auction it happens in. An event trading with the auction, that's fuel. The same kind of event fighting a strong auction, that's a warning. So the question isn't only what happened here, it's also, is this event supporting the auction, testing it, or fighting the structure building around it? The events tell you what's happening. The auction is the layer around them, and that layer is what I want to show you now. This is the Flow.42 Auction Engine. I switch it on and the auction appears on my chart. It treats the developing auction as one connected process, the structure around the move and the event inside it. Look at what just appeared. The blue references, that's prior value, and price is trading clearly above it. The developing value area is stepping higher through the session. Value isn't just holding up here, it's migrating. And down here, the state summary says it in one line, imbalance up. Above prior value, high confidence. The market is accepting these prices. Range is extending, point of control moving up. That's the read I check every time I'm in the market. But now, and this is my favorite part, look at the events themselves. The sell events inside the uptrend, still on the chart, but they've stepped back, dimmed. The events aligned with the auction keep their full weight. Nothing gets hidden from you. The chart itself now shows you direction. The suite shows you the event, the auction engine shows you the auction around it. It runs on top of everything already on your chart and it completes the picture. And this is where it clicks. Every event is now judged against the structure around it. Same information with direction. Suddenly, a pullback isn't just a pullback, it's a test inside a strong auction. A reaction near value tells me the area is holding, and that cluster up at the highs, that's where I watch for continuation or the first sign of rotation. One chart, one connected read, that's how I look at the market now. Now let me be straight with you, because this matters to me. Everything you see here is analysis and context, not an automated trade signal. That's not a disclaimer, I have to say. That's how I build. The auction engine gives you the current auction state, the structure behind the move, and the conditions that would strengthen or weaken the read. You see what the auction is doing. The interpretation says where it belongs, with you. You read and your decision. That's how every Flow.42 tool works, and it's not going to change. Context first, pressure second, execution last. And when you want the complete read in plain language, this is where it gets really, really good. One click. This is the Flow.42 AI Auction Analyst. It takes the current auction engine snapshot and turns it into a structured written read of the session. Right at the top, the current read, bearish to bullish. One glance. Here, an auction imbalanced to the upside, confidence 95%. Then it walks you through the current session. The story of the day, how the auction got there, the current situation with real evidence behind it, how much volume traded above prior value, where the point of control has moved. The key levels, each one with its role: acceptance floor, fair value magnet, invalidation zone. And my favorite part is at the bottom. What to watch next? What extends the read? What weakens it? And exactly what kills it? Because a read you can't invalidate is worthless. Every trader knows that. Your chart stays yours. The auction gets explained. It runs when you ask and only when you ask. One click, the full read. And here's the part I'm genuinely excited about. This is not a preview. The Flow.42 Auction Engine and the AI Auction Analyst are live today. The Flow.42 Auction Engine and the AI Auction Analyst are live today. The new Flow.42.com is up right now. All the details you will find there. I built this layer because I wanted it on my own chart. No, you can put it on yours. Join us on Discord. See the events. See the live sessions. Discuss with us. Understand the auction, and you will trade less, you will trade better, and you will trade with clarity. Flow.42 Auction Engine and Flow.42 Auction Analyst are available now on our webpage flow42.com. Join us, trade with us, and enjoy. See you on the inside.